Hello students, this is fifth lecture, and in this lecture we'll study how to change the Cartesian coordinate to polar coordinates. Okay, so let p x comma y be any point whose Cartesian coordinate referred to the origin O. Okay, so this xy coordinate, this xy coordinate is with respect to this xy coordinate is with respect to the origin O. Okay, and coordinate axes OX and OY. Fine. Let us consider O as a pole of our polar coordinate system and OX as the x-axis as the initial line. Okay, we choose origin O as pole and x-axis as initial line. Then the coordinates are given by r comma theta. Okay, in polar coordinates the coordinate is r and theta. R is the distance from the pole to the point, and theta is the angle made by the line joining pole and the point with the initial line in positive sense. Okay, so let us understand this through a diagram. Suppose this is our point P. This is our point P, x comma y. Okay, let's see. Suppose this is our point P only. Now we draw a Cartesian coordinate system. This is x, this is y. Keep it capital. Okay, x y with respect to the origin O. Now with respect to this system, x o y system, suppose this is the x distance it travels and then the y distance. Okay, we know how this works. So this is y. So this coordinate of P with respect to the Cartesian coordinate system x o y is x comma y. Now consider this as pole. This as pole, and this line as initial line. Okay, then distance of this point from pole is simply consider this is r, and the angle is theta. Okay, now applying distance formula we can easily see that the distance OP is nothing but, means this r is nothing but square root of x square plus y square. Okay, clear? And this theta, what is the theta? This is a right angle triangle. Suppose this is M, then in triangle POM angle M or angle POM is equal to 90 degree. So tan theta is equal to y by x. So simply we know theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. So this is the theta, this is the r. Okay, So we can now think of so from x and y we can easily find r and theta. Okay, there is no problem. Now how to shift it from polar to Cartesian to polar. So we can easily see from the diagram. Let us draw the diagram again. Suppose this is m, this is p, x comma y, this is o, this is the line, this is r, this is theta, this is x, this is y. So you can see this om is equal to x and np is equal to y. Okay, so we can easily see that x is equal to on cos theta. Now this on is nothing but it's not on, sorry, this x is equal to om, and om is nothing but op cos theta. Now this is nothing but r cos theta, and for y is nothing but pm, which is nothing but op sin theta. This is nothing but r sin theta. So what is the transformation coordinates? So x is equal to r cos theta, this is ridiculous, r cos theta, and y is equal to r sin theta. Okay, what is the value of r? R is nothing but square root of, as we have discussed, x square plus y square. And what is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. So now this x comma y is transformed to square root of x square plus y square comma tan inverse of y by x. So this is how we can convert the Cartesian coordinate system to the polar coordinate system. Okay, so in the next lecture we discuss how to change axis, means through translation and rotation. There will be two parts. The video is divided into two parts. Okay, thank you.